Hello, magandang hapon po. Thank you po very much po sa akin 730 subscriber. And this song is para sa inyo. So, ito po yung unang-una kong kanta na tutunan. So, sana magustuhan niyo po yung kanta na ito. Kahit padukot po yung kanta niya. So, sana po pagbigyan niyo po ako, kantahin po ulit ko po. Kasi po, nilalaban ko po ito sa contest kasi hindi ako nananalo. Pero sana po, magustuhan niyo po. This song is for you. Ito na po. Ito na talaga. Para sa inyo po, sabahan niyo po ako kaya. Should be just like before, and then it gave me so much more. And I saw before I'm giving you all my love. I miss your smile, I miss your kiss. There's everything that really is. 'Cause baby, it's you that I'm always dreaming of. Because I can't let this second all alone. And I know I can't face someone on my own. But baby, before I let you go, I want to say I love you. I hope that you listen.